What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, our May Nomadik box we're fixing to open up and take a look at. So, if you're interested, please stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So today, like I said, we're going to take a look at the May 2022 Nomadik box. So we're fixing to get into this. Now I did pay for a 6-month subscription. After that, Nomadik did send me some boxes to unbox for you guys here on my channel. So disclaimer, I did not pay for this box. This is the May 22 box. I will have a link to Nomadik in the description below. You can get over and check them out and make a subscription if you so desire. You can get 1, 6, or 12-month subscriptions of these small boxes. They also have quarterly subscription box that does cost a little bit more, and you don't get them as frequently, but it has a little bit nicer and more expensive gear. So let's dive into this. We're going to be using the the Gerber Air Ranger. I did a review of this knife. I will put a card up top, and if I'm not mistaken, this did come in one of the Nomadik boxes. So let's get into it. So we're going to take a look and see what we have in here this month. So first on top, we have our pamphlet. So each month has a theme. This one is Splash Zone. All right. And so I'm guessing this is going to be water related. So you can open up this pamphlet. You've got a list and description of everything that's in the box with a cool picture usually there. We have Nomadik tips that usually correlates with the theme, a Nomadik challenge, which is good for 1 month, and a link to the shop, and you have some discount codes usually for things that are in the box. So we'll put that to the side in case we need it, and let's just dive in and see what we have. So green goo, solar goo sunscreen, and kind of like a large chapstick tube. They have sent these before. Everything, this company, Green Goo, they have like a anti-itch stick like this. They have one for bug bites, for scars, for all kind of different things. I use it all the time with my kids and absolutely love it. So this one is sunscreen though, so we'll have to check that out this summer, see how well it works. Let's see what else we have. All right, so Chum's Surf Shorts wallet. So you've got a little, looks like we've got 2 zippers. Let's see, got just a regular little zipper there. On this side, we have a zipper which goes to the, oh, that one don't even go to the clear pocket. So that is another little zipper there. And how do you get into the clear? Oh, yeah, it does. So you've got a little flap there. So you've got a clear spot. You've got a regular little divider in there. You've got a little pocket on the outside here. So really cool. Got a little keychain that you can attach your keys to and slip your keys down in that little slot there. So ID window, 2 zippered pockets, tear and water resistant, thin pocket, fits in your front pocket. So pretty cool for going to the pool, to the beach, whatever. Just carry what you need. Awesome. Let's see. We've got our sticker. Check that one out. All right. Waterproof phone case. These are always good for summertime, going to the beach, going to the pool, going to the water park, whatever you, these are always good to have to keep that phone water tight, airtight, so it doesn't get wet. And an 8-liter dry bag, another good thing to have when you're going to the beach, to the pool, whatever. Kind of keep that stuff nice and dry, keep that change of clothes dry. I don't even look at this as water theme, so I'm not even looking at this stuff as like taking hiking, camping, that kind of thing. But a ripstop, it's a ripstop nylon dry bag. Let's get in here. It's 8 liters, which is Sounds pretty large. Let's see if we can get into this. Oh yeah. So that is massive. Definitely, and lightweight too. This is probably one of the thinner ones. This is from Climate. This is one of the thinner dry bags that I actually have. So this might get to go hiking with me, but really cool. Definitely good stuff this month. Not a whole lot of gear, but good stuff that is useful. Something you might not think about going and buying is a case like this for your phone, or even like a small thinner wallet to carry with you, something easier. I know as guys, we have our swim trunks usually have like one pocket with like a zipper or a button on it. This would be perfect. Put that in there. It's not going anywhere. No, it's not going to keep your stuff dry, but it will keep it all together and in a little compact case. So there you go. If you're interested in Nomadik, there will be a link in the description below. This is probably one of our shortest Nomadik unboxings. Short, sweet, to the point. This appears to be some really good gear. I've got one of these. I've used it. Usually they come with like a lanyard to go around your neck. Yep, I see it in there. You can carry this and wear it around your neck, whatever you needed to do. And you can still access your phone. It's a touch. You can still touch it if you have a smartphone. You can still utilize your phone. So there that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yes, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.